Hello friends, welcome back to my channel in a new video. Friend, when we start English journey, people suggest us to read English book. But we have a common doubt. Is really book help us to enhance our English or just only people tell so? So in this video friend, I will clear your doubt whether book help us to enhance our English or not. So friends, please watch this video till the end. Definitely you can clear that doubt. So let's start. Friend, we are learning a foreign language, and you know that to learn a foreign language, first of all we have to speak. We are speaking every day, but only how much time we are practicing? Half an hour or hardly 1 hour we are giving our time to English, we are practicing English. But friend, that is not enough for us, because in 1 hour each and every condition, in each and every situation, words and sentences we are not using in that 1 hour in English language, in English conversation friend. When it comes to our native language, at the time throughout the day we are practicing and we are having conversation with our neighbors, with our family members, and with our friends. So at the time each and every condition or each and every situation we are having conversation, and all kind of words, all kind of sentences we are making, and that's how we are improving day by day. So friend, in English language also we can learn that how, but that much time we are not practicing. That is why friend, people suggest us to read book, because informal way we speak with our friends, but when we join any meeting and when we are going to give any interview, that time we have to be formal, and the formal words we have to use. And how we can learn that thing? By reading book friends. There are written so many things in book friend, the way to use that particular words, the particular sentences, to make, how to make that, everything we can get to know friends. And which all words we do not know, that all word also we can get from book by reading friend. So friend, you should start reading books. Definitely you can see the improvement after reading book, how much confidence you have and how much English knowledge you gain friend. There is one more thing also friend, when we try to read English book and English newspaper, then we find very hard, very tough vocabularies and tough words, and tough sentences are there in English newspaper and English book friend. That is why we always avoid that. And one more thing also, we think that time those words we never use in our conversation, so we think that is unnecessary. But so first of all we have to understand, we do not use those words, but if our opponent use that word and if we do not understand, then how we can talk to that person friend? So friend, if we are not using those words, then also we have to learn those words so that we can understand a person's conversation friend. So friend, this thing I wanted to clear here, so I think I could make you understand well. And yes friend, from today onwards start reading book. Definitely that will help you. If you like this video friend, definitely subscribe to this channel and give a like.